we have been traveling all the way from Assam and now we are about to reach Joy. So let's go. So finally we have reached the destination place and here is the parking place. So this is the name of the place where we have been coming all the way from Assam to see this place. Oh. Now I'm walking down to these stairs which goes to deep forest. The jungle looks a bit scary, but it's pretty much good, looks calm and quiet. So here is our cameraman. He is busy taking pictures. Wow, the nature looks cool, right? Come on bro, let's move on.
Nadu usnen khat kendai hinyo po a kum ka jala la ai bor ka jing sen sha na not ka char bacha thi ka khabang la sha te kam rup na gam bat gol para.
Now finally we have reached a very interesting point. Let's see what these guys are doing here. Oh, wow, this is a very interesting place. Right there, downstairs. Let's see the view from here. So this is a very beautiful viewpoint.
Meghalaya, sweetest homeland of the clouds. Living in your arms, we feel so proud. Kasi jantia together you embrace. Lead us higher for every common race.
This guy is very brave. He really had the guts to do this. Now he will be going by this rope. So let's see. It looks a bit scary, but yeah, same time we can enjoy and have a new experience. So he's about to go, and right there, that side, on the other side, he will be reaching there. So it might take some time. And before doing this, these guys have to be very sure about the ropes and whatever they have to put on before going. And this brother is about to go. He looks happy, right? Come on bro, you can do it. Woo! Looks a bit scary, but nice experience. Again, the next guy is about to go. Woo!
Nong shong shnong kari tosu mariaki kanam kane shadu basem kasmi ummat tangkin jam lada kin jano haki long dien wan angin shakin no. Meghalaya, sweetest homeland of the clouds. Living in your arms, we feel so proud. Achikasi jantia, together you embrace. Lead us higher for every common race. Jatang ni cigepa kurang ko hai gemet jana kuan sak kiong